Hello friends, I welcome you all. So this is chapter 9, Geography class 7, Life in the Desert. And this is last chapter in latest books, but in old books it is there is one more chapter. It's chapter 10. So friends, after this chapter there is one more chapter in this Geography of class 7. So let's start it, friends. In chapter we have seen that water means life to plant, animal and people. It is difficult for anyone to live in place where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for their cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. We will now learn about the places in the world where people have learned to cope with extreme harsh temperatures, in some places as hot as fire and some as cold as ice. These are the desert area of the world. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperature, there can be hot desert or cool desert. The people inhabit these lands where little water is available to practice. These people inhabit these lands where little water is available to practice agriculture. So desert is an arid region categorized by high or low temperature and have scarce vegetation. So the hot desert is, but now we will talk about Sahara Desert. So Sahara Desert is located in the Africa. So it is the world's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million kilometers, and our India is 3.2 million square kilometers. So it is double of our India subcontinent. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. When you think of a desert, the picture immediately come to mind is that of sand. But beside the vast stretches of land and sand, the Sahara Desert is covered with. There are also gravel plains and elevated plateau with bare rocky surface. Those rocky surface may be more than 2,500 meter height at some places, and it is to surprise to know that the present day Sahara once used to be a lush green plain. Cape painting in Sahara Desert show that there used to be river with crocodile, elephants, lions, giraffe, ostrich, sheep, cattle, and goats were common animals. But the change in the climate had changed it to very hot and dry region. So here is the Sahara Desert in Africa. So it is lies in the 11 countries: Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Libya, Niger, Mali, Algeria, Morocco, Mauritania, and also Sahara Desert up to here. Climate. Algeria in the Sahara Desert south of Tripoli, Libya recorded the highest temperature of 57.7 degrees in 1922. Climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear. Here the moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. Days are unbelievably hot. The temperature during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiate heat, making everything around hot. The night may be freezing cold with temperature nearing 0 degree. Flora and fauna. Vegetation in the Sahara Desert include cactus, date palm, acacia. In some places there are oasis, green island with the date palm surrounding them. Camel, hyenas, jackals, fox, scorpions. Many varieties of snakes and lizards are prominent animal species living there. So oasis in Sahara Desert, it is picture of oasis. Scientists actually found skeletons of fish in this desert. There would have been water earlier before this desert. Pupil. The Sahara Desert, despite its harsh climate, has been inhabited by various groups of people who pursue different activities. Among them are the Bedouins and Tuaregs. These groups are nomadic tribes rearing livestock such as goat, sheep, camel, and horses. These animals provide them with milk, hides from which they make leather for belts, slipper, water bottle. Here is used for mats, carpet, cloths, and blankets. They wear heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot winds. The oceans in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in the Egypt support settled population. Since water is available, the population grow date palm. Crops such as rice, wheat, barley, and beans are also grown. Egyptian cotton, famous worldwide, is grown in the Egypt. So here is fact that depressions are formed when the wind blow away the sand. When wind blow the sand away, depression form. In the depression where underground water reaches the surface and oxygen is formed, there water when underground water reaches the surface and oxygen is formed. These areas are fertile. People may settle around these water bodies and grow date palm and other crops. Sometimes the ocean may be abnormally large. Tafilelith oasis in Morocco is a large oasis in the area of about 13,000 square kilometers. The discovery of oil, a production in great demand throughout the world, in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt, is constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. Other minerals of importance that are found in the area include iron, phosphorus, manganese, and uranium. The cultural landscape of Sahara is undergoing change. Gleaming glass case office building tower over mosque and the super highways crisscrosses the ancient camel path. Trucks are replacing camel in the salt trade. Tuaregs are seen acting as guide to foreign tourists. More and more nomadic herdsmen are taking to city life, finding job in oil and gas operations. The cold desert. So we have read about hot desert and we will read about the cold desert. The Ladakh. The cold desert, Ladakh. So we talk about the hot desert. Now it is cold desert of Ladakh. Ladakh is cold desert lying in the Great Himalaya on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The Karakoram range in the north and the Jaskar mountains in the south enclosure. Karakoram is in the north and Jaskar in south enclosure. Several rivers flow through Ladakh. Indus being the most important among them, the river from Deep Valley and forms Deep Valley and Georgia. Several glaciers are found in Ladakh, for example the Kargil Glacier, the Gangri Glacier. The latitude in the Ladakh varies from the 3000 meter in Kargil to more than 8000 meter in the Karakoram. Due to its high altitude, the climate is extremely cold and dry. The air at this altitude is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. The day temperature in summer are just above 0 degree and the night temperature well below minus 30 degrees Celsius. It is freezing cold in the winters when the temperature may remain below minus 40 degrees Celsius for most of the time. As it lies in the rain side of the Himalaya, there is a little rainfall as low as 10 centimeter every year. The area experiences freezing wind and burning hot sunlight. You will be surprised to know that if you sit in the sun with your feet in the shade, you may suffer from both sunstroke and the frostbite at the same time. Ladakh, also known as Khapa Chan, which means snowland. Khapa Chan, snowland. So in Ladakh, there is Jaskar in south and Karakoram in north. Flora and fauna. Due to the high aridity, the vegetation is sparse. There are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs for animal to graze. Groves of willow and poplar are seen in the valley. During the summer, fruit trees are such as apple, apricot and walnut bloom. Several species of birds are sighted in Ladakh. Robin, red stars, Tibetan snowcock, raven and hawkeye are common. Some of these are migratory birds. The animal of Ladakh are wild goat, wild sheep, yak and special kind of dog. The animal are reared to provide for the milk, meat and hairs. Yak milk is used to make cheese and butter. Yak milk is used to make cheese and butter. The hair of the sheep and goat is used to make woolen. The chiru or the Tibetan antelope is an endangered species. It is hunted for its wool known as the satosh, which is light in weight and very extremely warm. The chiru, Tibetan antelope, it is endangered species, so it is very potentially species. We find resemblance between the people of Ladakh and the inhabitant of Ladakh and Central Asia. These people are either Muslim or Buddhist. In fact, several Buddhist monasteries dot the Ladakh landscape with their traditional gompas. Some of famous monasteries are Hemis, Tikse, Se, Lomayuru. In the summer season, the people are busy cultivating barley, potatoes, peas, beans, and turnip. The climate in winter month is so hot that people keep themselves engaged in festivities and ceremonies. The women are very hardworking. They work not only in the houses and field but also manage small business and shop. Leh, the capital of Ladakh, is well connected both by road and air. The national highway 1A connects Leh to Kashmir Valley through the Zojila Pass. Manali to Leh highway cross 4 passes. Manali to Leh cross 4 passes: Rotangla, Bara-Alacha, Langa-Alacha La and Tangla. The highway open only between June and July and September when snow is cleared from the road. So these are the awesome passes. Those are very important: Rotang, Bara-Alacha, Lunglacha and Tanglang. Tourism is a major activity with several tourism estimates from within India and abroad. Visit to the Gompas, trek to see the meadow and glacier, witnessing ceremonies and festivals are important activities. Life of people is undergoing change due to modernization, but the people of Ladakh have over the centuries learned to live in balance and harmony with nature. Due to scarcity of resources like the water, they are used with reverence and care. Nothing is discarded and wasted. So there are some reviews. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Northern part of Africa. Sahara is this type of desert? Hot. Ladakh desert is mainly inhabited by the Buddhist and Muslim. Desert are characterized by scanty vegetation. Hemid in the Ladakh is famous monastery. Egypt is famous for this water. Egypt. So these are some messages like Oasis is a depression with water and Gangri is a glacier, oil in Libya, and Vadu means we find in Sahara, and Lamayuru is a monastery. So friends, these are all this is chapter over. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep supporting me. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, friends. And keep your preparation high. Never be down and be prepared.